Here's an example on Venn diagrams. Here's a Venn diagram regarding a dance school for tap, jazz, and ballet classes. We will discuss how these circles and their overlaps and how they interact and what they mean to each other. Our first question is, how many students are enrolled in all three classes? Well, as you can see in the picture, the 28 kids in tap definitely are not in jazz, and the 43 in jazz are definitely not in tap. So what we're looking for is we're looking for the overlap of all three circles. All three circles overlap in this one small area where the number 9 is. So there are 9 students that are enrolled in all three classes. Our next question, how many students are enrolled in tap or ballet? Remember, with or, it can be either of them. So the students that are enrolled in tap or ballet are represented by the union of these two sets. So we want to find the tap circle and combine it with the ballet circle. There are 28 people in tap, 13 people in tap, 9 people in tap that are also in ballet, 17 that are in both, 29 in ballet, and 29 and 25 over here. We're actually combining all of those because it is an or statement. That means it can be in either of the circles to be counted. That would be 121 students. How many students are enrolled in jazz and ballet? In order to be included in this one, for the students for both, they must be in both of them. The students that are enrolled in jazz and ballet, and not tap are represented by the intersection of jazz and ballet minus the students enrolled in tap. So we are looking at the jazz and the ballet. There are 25, the little green section here, plus 9, minus 9. So, in other words, there are 25 students enrolled in jazz and ballet, and not tap. We cannot count these 9 in this little white area because those people are in tap. They are being excluded. Here's one for you to try. The Venn diagram shows the students at Manhattan school that have dogs, cats, birds, and household pets. Here are 3 questions for you. See if you can answer them. How many students in the Manhattan school have one of the 3 types of pets? The answer is 311. We added them all up. How many students have dogs or cats? We would count all of the people in the dog circle along with all the people in the cat circle, making sure not to double count the 47 and the 10. Lastly, how many students have dogs, cats, and birds as pets would be 10. This section right here that is in all of them because we use the word and. Make sure to ask me questions in class if the Venn diagram did not make any sense.